Hey, what's up guys? This is Zali and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you 10 benefits of apple cider vinegar you wish you would have known before. Now, before that, remember to subscribe to my channel as I post videos on a daily basis with tips, tricks, and hacks about the natural way of living, including health, beauty, and lifestyle. Alright, so today we're talking about apple cider vinegar and the many benefits of it. The first one I want to talk to you about, it is sunburns. Now, this is a pretty good sunburn, as you can see. Excuse me. Now, the way it works, you actually have to make a lukewarm bath and just add to it like a couple of, 2 cups of apple cider vinegar, and add also 1 cup of coconut oil. You can put a bit of lavender oil for calming effect, and just lay down in the tub and take a nice lukewarm bath with this apple cider vinegar and coconut oil. It's gonna give you almost an instant relief. It's gonna make you feel better, and it's also gonna help the skin and stay there for about 15 minutes. Okay, and you're gonna feel so much better that night. And do it again in the morning. So doing even 2 times a day. If you got a sunburn in the morning, do it about 2 times a day, and your skin is gonna feel so much better, and it's gonna heal really, really good. Now, if you get really bad sunburns, I would recommend that you definitely go to your doctor and see what needs to be done. Okay. Now, if you talk about skin, the next one I want to talk to you about, it improves the skin health. And as you can see, yes, you can see here the skin conditions. So you it has an acid. Apple cider vinegar contains acid, bunch of acids actually, and they do kill the bad bacteria that creates acne. So it's really good for acne. And it also kind of gives you that vibrant look. So if you just do it by itself, it's gonna may burn a little bit, but you can dilute it with a little bit of water and just dip in a pad and just start rubbing it on your face and kind of clean up your face like you would do with any face cleaner. Just clean it up, but also hold it a bit more on the acne area and just let it sit about 10 minutes and then go and rinse it with water. And kind of like warm water, not cold, not too hot either. So it really, really helps for the acne. Another one where it helps, because it's a bacteria again, it fights the fungus. So if you have athlete foot, or if you have different fungus toenails, or if you have different skin yeast infection and stuff like that, just make again 2 parts water, 1 part apple cider vinegar, and just soak your feet in there. And you're gonna see it's gonna kill the bacteria that create this fungus. So now, if it's really, really bad, again, go and consult your doctor about it. But I would also give it a try and see how it feels. And it also is gonna kill the bacteria that creates the smell of the feet. Like if you have a smelly feet, it's definitely really good because it kind of works like a deodorant for your feet. Okay. Now, again, talking about bacteria, the next one, sore throat. Yeah, the next one I want to talk to is sore throat, but not this picture. But that's kind of how it feels, right? So the sore throat, it works really, really good. Practically what you want to do, you put 1 to 2 tablespoons, practically 2 tablespoons. You want to make it more concentrated in a cup of water and just make gargles with it. So just do it 1 to 2 every 2 hours. And you're going to notice practically after the first few times, you just do some gargles, spit it in a sink, do it again, spit it out there in the sink. And after a few times, you're going to feel like it's already, the pain kind of starts to subside. So do it a few times, then take a little break for an hour or so. Do it again and again, and it depends how hard your sore throat is and how strong it is. And this is also going to it kills definitely the bacteria. So it's not going to escalate into something even more. Okay. So as soon as you feel a bit of sore throat, go to the sink, do the apple cider vinegar gargles, and the sore throat is going to dissipate pretty fast. Okay. Another health benefit I want to talk to you about for apple cider vinegar, it helps with digestion. So usually apple cider vinegar contains beneficial bacteria, and the bacteria is actually, like, you have it in apple cider vinegar, it's going to enhance the health of your digestive tract system. And also what's going to help is with indigestion. So if you have any indigestion, have like 1-2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a cup of water and just take small sips at a time, but try to drink it within the first 10-15 minutes. So taking small sips, you're gonna notice if you have like nausea or you're bloated and stuff, you're gonna feel so much better like after the first few sips already, but just keep on drinking the whole cup, and like soon after that probably you're gonna start feeling hungry again. Okay, so definitely helps with the digestion. Now, another benefit, it balances your body's pH. So acetic acid is basically the primary component in apple cider vinegar, but it actually has an alkalizing effect on the body. So again, if you drink the water with the apple cider vinegar, it's gonna definitely balance your pH. And sometimes you don't even have to drink, you just have to, like if you have a salad, just instead of lemon or something, but even lemon, it balances your pH, but put some apple cider vinegar, it's gonna definitely balances your pH, okay? Now, the next one I wanna talk to you about, it lowers the cholesterol, okay? So there are many researchers out there lately, and they all show how apple cider vinegar actually promotes a healthy heart by simply lowering the bad cholesterol and keeping the levels in check. And as you can see also here, kind of explains how it does. So if you drink it, like you can drink it like before meals, and you're gonna notice in time, it's the apple cider vinegar in your body is gonna start eating the cholesterol within your blood veins and your blood vessels, and your blood is gonna start flowing more freely, and you're gonna feel so much better. Okay. Now, another benefit also, it regulates the blood sugar. So again, you drink it before meals, it definitely gonna maintain a blood sugar. It's gonna maintain your levels of blood sugar pretty normal, and also improve your insulin sensitivity. Okay. So again, you drink it before meals, and you're gonna notice in time all these health benefits. And they work really, really good. Okay, just give it a try. Now, besides health, apple cider vinegar actually also kills bugs and fleas and helps to keep it away from you. I'm sorry, I don't know what's wrong with me today. Anyway, so it helps to keep the bugs and fleas away. Now, you don't have to make a whole chemical reaction here, but if you put like in a bottle, just put 1 part water, 1 part apple cider vinegar, and just spray your pets, spray your cats, your dogs, or whatever, which animal has some bugs and fleas, and you're gonna notice like pretty soon the fleas and bugs are gonna start going away. You can also use it on yourself. If you sit outside for the bugs and mosquitoes, you may stink a little bit of apple cider vinegar, but it's not so bad, okay? So try it on. I'm sure you are going to like it, and your pets as well, and it's no chemicals, okay? The last one I want to talk to you about, apple cider vinegar, actually has a huge benefit as a household cleaner. So I use it all the time. It kills bacteria, kills germs, so it disinfects. And many times I mix it with baking soda. It's a great scrub for the tub and also for the sink or even the toilet. It's very low. Baking soda is not too abrasive, so it's really good scrub, and it cleans it and it disinfects it really, really good. Also, what I noticed, we used it one time. Actually, we unclogged the drain on the sink because it was clogged and the water started to come up to the surface. So practically, we put some baking soda down the drain. We added the vinegar on top of it, started to make bubbles and reaction there. But we let it sit for about 15 minutes. We added actually the hot water kind of to clean it and see how it goes. And the drain just started to go bloop, bloop, and it got all better again. So yes, it's a great household cleaner. I even mop the floor sometimes with it, and it actually kills the bacteria. It's gonna smell for the first 10-15 minutes, air out the house. As soon as it gets dry, the smell is gonna dissipate and you have clean floors and have your kids just sit on the floor, okay? So guys, as you can see, apple cider vinegar has many benefits, from health all the way as a household cleaner. You can use it like without any problems and worries, okay? Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button down below and remember to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Stay healthy.